Thank you for watching another episode of Stallones Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of September, and we only need a couple more to push us over the top. Way to go, people. Thank you so much. Today I'm reviewing the Ice Warrior by Stallones and distributed by Godo. On the Stallones Reviews rock scale of hardness, of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, I give this kit about a 5 out of 10. Looking at the instructions first, these were in a nice booklet style format with clear, colorful pictures showing how to assemble the Ice Warrior. The instructions inform you where and when to apply the decals. The decals were nicely colored and applied easily, but they are big and cover most of the bricks, so you do have to be careful how you apply them or you'll end up with a little bit of overhang. The bricks were Lego style and went together easily. You can probably get away without using any glue in this kit, but I did use a touch here and there on parts that I thought would decide to pop off, like during manipulation, like if you're posing or something like that. You'll see the little glue bottle pop up next to the build from time to time in the pictures. I was missing a piece to this kit. It was cosmetic only and did not slow or stop the build at all. I don't miss it except I know it should be there. Is this a Lego quality experience on the cheap? This was really close to Lego quality, as the instructions were good, the bags were numbered, and the pieces went together about as well as you would expect any true Lego bricks would. The Ice Warrior used a few custom bricks and came with 2 blue-bladed swords using specialized bricks to make the sword handles, and his head is also a custom Lego type brick. Looking at what I liked, the Ice Warrior was easily and quickly assembled. He is one of the best posing of the number of Lego brick mechs I have built over the last 2 months. He is stocky and imposing in appearance, especially with his 2 large swords in his hands. Speaking of his hands, he has individualized fingers that help him hold on to things, as well as a brick in the palm that can be used to fasten things to help hold them as well. Looking at what I didn't like, it's probably not hard to imagine that missing a piece was pretty disappointing, but that's pretty much it. Otherwise, this kit was pretty fun. Can a beginner do and enjoy this kit? I think a beginner would easily assemble the Ice Warrior and enjoy him as he fights in pretend battles against other Lego brick mobile suit combatants. Would I do it again? I would build him again, or others like him. I have found the Stallones brand of Lego brick mobile suits to be high quality and fun to assemble. I have one more of this type of Stallones kit to build that I will start this week, the Black Samurai. Did you build the Ice Warrior? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see my latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own Ice Warriors. If you're in a position to support me on Patreon, please click my link in the description. We have a camera that is wearing out and we could use some support to obtain a replacement. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to the Stallones Reviews library of videos to help you decide what to love making next. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.